phonics data, this will show any data for this phonics group. So here you can see there's a chapter, there's the different sets, and there are different coloured icons next to the different pupils. Now what I will show you first of all is an assessment session which you can do here. So to launch the assessment session, you simply click there. You click the mode that you want, so I'll show you the grapheme mode first, and then the chapter which you want to assess. Now you can select the whole chapter. You can also select specific sets that you might want to assign here. Once you're happy with the graphemes you want to assess, click Next and click on the child. So I'll have this child sitting with me here. And it describes here what you need to do to sit with your pupil, ask them to voice out the graphemes and assess their comprehension as correct, incorrect or close. You can click End Game, which is up here, anytime, and it will end early and it will save. At the end of the assessment, the scores will be submitted and the pupil will also receive honey pots as a reward for doing it. So if you click Start, and then you ask your pupil to give the sound for this grapheme shown and score their comprehension below. So you're looking for them to say ng for wing the duckling, and ch for Charlie the chicken. These are our characters underneath that go with these GPCs. So once you're happy with that, or if you want to end early, click there. That's what will show these down here for whichever chapter that you have just done. So we just did chapter 3 there. If you want to at a later date go and change this, you simply click on it and then change it and add a comment if needed and click Save. The other assessment sessions you can do, so that was graphemes, you can also do a word list, and this can be taken from our scheme, or it can be taken from a list that you have created or that's been shared with you. So if I click Next, I'll do it for the same pupil, click here are the words that are in here, and we're asking the pupil to say this word and score their comprehension below, so whether they've got that correct, nearly or not at all. The final assessment session you can do is for a screening check simulator. So it will generate a word list to simulate the phonics screening check. So again, you'll have your pupil next to you. Click Launch Assessment. This is what will be within it. And again, it explains a little bit how to do that there. And we'll click Start. Ask your pupil to say this word and score their comprehension below. And it will come up whether it's an alien word or not. So that's how you can do this and use the assessment sessions. The other thing you can do is you can generate printed reports. So this is for a group report. That would look something like this. So it's just generated the one for chapter 3 there because I had it on chapter 3. You can also print pupil reports. So if I select a pupil and select the chapter once again, that will select a pupil report which looks similar to this. So it's got all of the different sets in chapter 2 there and how they are doing in each of those. Now, as this is the group page, this shows everyone in your group, the total that's covered, the total learned, and if there are pupils on track or at year 1. And there's some information there to explain what those things mean. So that is the group page.